Hello friends, how are you? Canon is a leading brand in the world of imaging and optical technology, known for its cameras that have shaped both amateur and professional photography for decades. Founded in 1937, the Japanese company initially focused on making high-quality film cameras but later expanded its expertise to digital technology, becoming a global leader in the field. Canon cameras are recognized for their innovation, reliability, and exceptional image quality. The company produces a wide range of cameras, from beginner-friendly point-and-shoot models to advanced professional DSLR and mirrorless systems. Each camera line is designed to cater to different needs, whether it's for casual photography, videography, or high-level creative work. One of Canon's most renowned camera lines is the EOS series, which has become a staple in the world of digital photography. The Canon EOS DSLRs, like the EOS 5D Mark IV and the EOS 1DX Mark III, are known for their robust build quality, fast autofocus systems, and superior image resolution. These cameras are widely used in professional settings, from newsrooms to fashion shoots. Meanwhile, the EOS R series, Canon's mirrorless line, offers the same high performance but in a lighter, more compact form. The EOS R5 and EOS R6, with their exceptional image sensors, 4K video recording, and in-body image stabilization, appeal to professionals and enthusiasts looking for versatility and cutting-edge technology in a mirrorless body. Canon's support for its users also plays a crucial role in its continued success. The company offers extensive online resources, tutorials, and customer service to help photographers get the most out of their equipment. Additionally, Canon's online ecosystem provides cloud-based solutions, such as image storage and printing services, which further enrich the experience for Canon camera